This is amazing. All right, so I've been looking for a track to drift the Miata at. I missed a couple events. I had some issues. I had, you know, a water pump go out the last time I tried to go to the track, which was a very big pain to me because I had to take apart everything. So I did cam seals, crank seal, water pump, timing belts, all that jazz. And then the day before I rented this track, I lost an axle. So I replaced that and I came here to Wake County Speedway. It's in the middle of nowhere. It's a little like, little NASCAR track. It's very fun. I just couldn't waste any time. I got out, ripped a couple laps already, just to feel comfortable. The Miata's just great. And I'm trying out some new tires. I got some Accelera 651s from Tire Streets. Thankfully, they shipped those out super fast to me because I didn't really have much time. And I know getting tires is very hard to do. So I got some from Tire Streets. They sent them right over. I got plenty of tires, got the track to myself, and got my friend Ronnie with me. He's helping me film some stuff. So yeah, Miata's great. I'm letting it cool down for a second. I got after it right away, and I just want to do some testing and some drifting. I haven't been on a bank track in a while, but it's damn fun. What up, Ronnie?
What's up, Cam?
Yeah, man, she rips pretty good though.
Yeah, man. You was coming in there, you know, a little hot. But...
Yeah, getting a little more confidence. Yeah, it's probably a bad thing considering I drove it here.
Nah, man, you good.
Yeah, man, so I'm gonna get back on track. Got Ronnie helping me film some stuff today. He's a Carolina native as well, so he came last minute to help me out. And yeah, now we're just here drifting. I told him to bring a helmet, but he didn't have one. So next time I'll get him a helmet, get him some rides.
Next time, yeah, I'll get in there with you.
Unfortunately, before we got up with the drone, he hit a power line.
Yeah.
So he broke his drone. Otherwise, we'd have some cool drone footage, but whatever.
Yeah, we gonna get it done regardless, you know.
Yeah. So back on track. Let's go do some driving. A lot of driving. got after that real fast. I already lost a tire. Boy, it eats that outside tire real quick. Luckily, they have a tire machine here, so I'm going to change tires. All right, so went through a tire pretty quick, but it was the outside tire. I was jamming. These tires feel really nice, really consistent, but I mean, I guess if you're just lap after lap after lap going at it, not much you can do about it. It's a pretty rough surface here, but not too bad. They're gonna repave it, so I'm taking advantage of that and driving as much as I can today. So I'm gonna have to pop this off, change tires, and I have to drive home on this set, so I might take it a little bit easy. Just keep it in mind. Bank life. Next time, I'll rotate them. Well, I only got one more set, so I'm gonna change these out, do a few more skids, and next time I'm gonna bring a truck and a lot more tires, because this is really fun. Let's change these out. Damn, this is amazing. Yo, this is so fun. It's flying into that corner there.
I know, it's a crazy angle. That's why I was like, one more.
Yeah.
But yeah, if the tires feel better though?
I don't know, I think that's probably all she wrote, really. I do have to make it home, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Well, that's gonna do it for me here at Wake County Speedway. I'm really grateful that I got to come out here and drive. This is so much fun. It's a really cool spot. It's really well kept. And thanks to Andrew for keeping this place open for me. And I definitely want to come back. I got to bring more tires. I was eating through them, but tires were good. Car felt great. I could get a little more comfortable on this track, but I do have to drive home. Next time I'd like to have a support vehicle, more tires, and a lot more seat time.